All right, now we're gonna start Unit 5, Workbook Part 2. Welcome. In this section, we're gonna be talking about clauses stating reasons and conditions, as well some problems of sleep. It's a vocabulary. We're gonna rewrite a sentence by replacing the underlined words with phrases from the box. Sometimes more than one answer is possible. Okay, so we have here be fast asleep, be sound asleep, be wide awake, drift off, feel drowsy, have a sleepless night, nod off, sleep like a log, take a power nap, toss and turn. During the unit, we look to the different types of sleeping. No, we have deep sleeping, we have short time nap or sleep, and then etc. You can complement this with Instagram. You may find out the vocabulary set there. And well, we're gonna continue. So as you see here, there are some possible answers. Okay, and I'm gonna pause. Well, you can pause a bit in this section and read the statements. If Elisa is worried when she goes to bed, she is unable to sleep. So if Elisa is worried when she goes to bed, she tosses and turns, or she has a sleepless night. No, so there are many ways that you can express this, and then you have to check the word that is like underlined and change it to one from the box, not that we have above. Okay, so let's gonna pause the video, and then you can check out the words. You can write them down, check them out with me, and let's see now the. So these are the possible answers. If Elisa worries when she goes to bed, she tosses and turns, or she has a sleepless night. My father always drifts off after eating a heavy meal. My father always nods off after eating a heavy meal. No, so it's nods off or drifts off. It's like falling asleep. Simon often takes a power nap to boost his creativity at work. Number 4, she must be fast asleep. She must be sound asleep. Sleeping like very fast, falling asleep. Liz is lucky she sleeps like a log because her roommate snores so loudly, and Marina is tired at all. In fact, she is wide awake. And Kenny often feels drowsy when he reads on the train or in car. Alright, so we have here the answers of the first exercise of the vocabulary. Now let's continue. In the next section, we're gonna select the best the best clause to make it complete the sentence. So we have here considering that, just in case, unless I'm really worried, I usually sleep well, etc. Okay, so we're gonna pause the video and try to check out the answers together. And here are the answers. So the number 1 is unless, the number 2 is even if, number 3 is as long as, number 4 considering that, and number 5 just in case. So these are the answers of the next sentences. Now let's gonna go to the next. And here we have grammar. Use the information in the box and the expressions in parentheses to write the new sentence. So right now we have here, I always feel great in the morning as long as we're gonna collocate it. Remember that there are ways of collocation of the this clauses. Remember, if we put it at the beginning, we need to put or divide it by with a comma. Okay. Number well, we have 6. We're gonna stop here. You can stop. You may stop the video in this section, then try to check out the answers with me. And here. So these are the possible answers I have here. I always feel great in the morning as long as I sleep well the night before. Sometimes I have trouble drifting off, comma, even if I'm completely exhausted. 3. Considering that my neighbors listen to loud music every night, comma, I sleep deeply. I never oversleep in the morning unless I forget to set alarm clock. Look, that's unless it's at the beginning, there's an omission of the comma. I keep a glass of water by my bed just in case I get thirsty in the middle of the night. So each of the time clause, well, these are stating reasons and conditions. They have a function or they introduce something. Some of them they are preventing something. Some of them they are avoiding like undesirable situations, etc. No, so we previously looked at the on our unit. Now where we? It's 6. I only have trouble falling asleep if I drink too much caffeine during the day. So the main clause here is like making true this clause is making true the main class, right? Okay, now let's continue to the next exercise. Remember that the exercises of your personal opinion are the ones that you need to post here on the video. So if you want to practice the exercises, you can write it down on your notebook or on your book in case that you have it. But the one that you need to upload is this one. So answer the question using clauses with as long as, considering, etc. with your own ideas. Now, do you stay awake thinking or do you fall asleep as soon as you lie down? Okay? So this is the activity of workbook part 2. This is the first activity. And finally, there's a reading section now. We're gonna read this just so you can start practicing reading here with our workbooks. Our workbooks has a category of reading section, so remember that's an important skill, reading too. And don't forget, don't avoid reading. Okay, so you may pause the video right here and try then. Well, first one tip is reading the questions. Then after reading the questions, you can identify like keywords. So now let's gonna reveal the answer. And this is the section of reading, guys. It's an important skill, reading. Don't forget doing it. So we're gonna pause the video right here. We're gonna pause the video right here. Then you can try to check out the answers with me. So we're gonna find out the best title for this reading. Okay, so stop. And this is the last. So let's gonna reveal the answers. Here we go. False, humans need sleep more than they need food. True. False, scientists previously believed sleep was a period of inactivity. False, scientists are only beginning to understand what happens in the brain during sleep. And fine, it's true. So that's it, guys, of unit number 4. This is workbook part 2. Okay, remember to upload your activities. You post it here on the comments. The only one that was requested. And hope that you have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.